Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to flip image without flipping canvas in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. We can drag and drop an image into Photoshop to open the image. Next, make sure that we have the Layers window, so we can go to Window and Show Layers here. I put it here. And then we can go to Layers window. We can find the image is a background. We can double click to create a new layer. Now I want to enlarge the canvas. I go to image and canvas size, and I enlarge the width to 3000 pixels. I click OK, and I press Ctrl 0 to view fit. Next, I double click one more layer, and then I press Ctrl T and move to left. So if we want to flip it, if we choose image and, oops, sorry, I should press enter to finish the transform. Now, if we go to image and image rotation, we can find flip canvas horizontal. So the canvas is flipped. I press undo. If we want to flip image layer only, we can go to edit and then transform. We can find flip horizontal. So we can flip image without flipping canvas. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.